15 anti-aging foods. Want to look younger? Which things affect your skin? And do you look older than your age? What type of foods must you take to keep yourself fresh and look energetic? Nowadays, these are the main concerns of people. They want to look younger than their age. Here, a question arises. Which things make them look dull and older? So today, we'll cast some light on some essential factors that make you look drab and stale. Moreover, here we will also cover some essential foods that can help make you look younger than your age. So let us begin. Main organ to express your age. Before we proceed any further, let us have a look at the organ through which most people can judge our age. Humans are made from various organs, and skin is the most important organ that expresses various things. So, from the skin, the next person can judge age easily because the freshness and activeness are considered as the main factors of aging. If you want to look young and fresh, then you have to pay attention to your skin. Besides using creams and other cosmetics, the best way is to take various and better food. Food that is enriched in various vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals are not only good for the health, but are also beneficial for the skin. Your age increases with every passing minute. So you cannot deny the fact that after 30 or 40, you start to look older. But the signs of aging can be controlled with the best diet. So we recommended you take the food mentioned below. Some foods that boost up your age. As we all know, some foods are good for us and some foods are not good. So here we have a short list of some foods that can boost up the speed of aging. So if you want to look younger, then you have to ignore these foods, or it will be better to say you must kick them out of your life. Sweet potatoes in the form of fries, white bread, white sugar with honey, olive oil, processed meat, some dairy products, soda and coffee, alcohol, rice cakes. Hence, these are a few foods that increase your age. Many of us do not know about the facts as we take this food regularly in our diet. So you must avoid taking them, or if it is essential, then you must take them in lesser amounts. Some of the best foods that help make you look younger than your actual age. Now, the time has come where we will discuss some essential foods that is helpful to give you a younger look. Or you can say that they can help to lower the speed of aging. The main things that your food must contain include vitamins, minerals, copper, zinc, glycine. So, let's have a look at the foods that can give you plenty of vitamins and other essential nutrients that can make you look your best and young. Number 1, berries. Berries are considered to be the best food that you can take in your breakfast and also at lunchtime or brunch. This food is best in various ways because it is the power bank of various minerals and vitamins. It excretes powerful antioxidants that help to reduce the speed of aging. In the market, you can get a variety of berries. Select the one that you like the most. They all have almost the same function, so include them in your diet. It not only benefits your skin, but also your health. Number 2, green tea. When it comes to searching for foods that have various benefits, green tea is considered to be in the top 10 foods. People who want to enjoy a healthy life and young skin can make this drink important in their diet. Number 3, spinach. Green vegetables are always considered as the best and central to consideration when it comes to health. Green leaves are enriched in minerals, vitamins, and various other essential things that can make your body function properly. From the facts, it is concluded that spinach contains vitamins and antioxidant material that help to reduce the factors of aging. Number 4. Dark chocolates. In many articles, we see that people say that eating too many chocolates is harmful to health. However, it is true to some extent, but taking a limited amount of chocolate is good for the health and skin. Dark chocolate contains a high level of antioxidants. These help in reducing the aging factors. Moreover, good blood flow is an important part of the freshness of the skin. So here we can say dark chocolates are best for the skin. You can take dark chocolates in various forms. Number 5. Avocados. For a healthy body, it is better to take various types of minerals and other things. Many of us do not know that taking good fats is also essential for the body. It helps to keep us healthy and fresh. In the same way, avocados play a vital role for the skin. If you are wondering which is the best fruit for the skin and to remove wrinkles, then avocados are the best choice. They are enriched in various healthy fats and give a glow to the skin. Number 6. Flaxseed. When you want to look gorgeous, then the main concern is your skin must be moist and wrinkle-free. For this purpose, you must take flaxseed. This food is good for hydration. If you take this food in your regular diet, then you can enjoy the best health along with the best and fresh skin. Number 7. Salmon. As we discussed earlier, good fats are good for the body. So you can find various foods in the market that can help you with this. Salmon is the best food that you can include in your diet. This gives you omega-3 fats that are not only good for the skin, but it makes your heart, brain, and eyes work perfectly. It is better to take salmon in your breakfast. It will give you the best results. Number 8. Legumes. Legumes are the best food that you can include in your diet. You have various types of things like lentils, split peas, navy, and many others that are enriched in nutrients. But legumes are better for the skin. This food is enriched in antioxidants like saponins and phytosterols. This food keeps you healthy as it reduces the heart attack rate and avoids other diseases. Number 9. Collagen. For skin tissues, it is better to take the food that can tighten your skin. If your skin tissues get tightened, then wrinkles on your face will not appear soon. So, if you consult any doctor for your health and skin, they will surely recommend collagen for you. Number 10. Mushrooms. The food that is known as the power bank of various vitamins is considered to be the best. It will give you the best result for your health. You can also say that mushrooms are best for the skin too. Vitamin D is best for the skin, and mushrooms are the power bank of vitamin D, so you can include mushrooms in your diet. Number 11. Lemon. Do you know the benefits of taking lemon water early in the morning? You'll be amused to hear that this drink is best for your heart, lungs, and other organs. Moreover, you can look fresh by using this drink. People who intake vitamin C look fresh and young. Hence, this is the best option to take lemon water in the morning. It will not only help your body to function well, but it also brings freshness to the skin. Number 12. Pineapple. Many people do not know the hidden features of this simple fruit. Pineapple is the best fruit that helps you in various ways. It contains super active antioxidants that can make your skin fresh and attractive. It has an anti-aging element. So, if a pineapple is easily available in your area, then you must enjoy the benefits. Number 13. Coconut. A highly rich food. Many people say that this food is the power bank of vitamins, minerals, fibers, and the best nutrients. However, this food is simple and does seem to have the best features. You can enjoy the best of health if you eat coconut daily. Besides health, it boosts the glow of the skin and makes the skin tighten, so it can reduce the signs of wrinkles. It helps to keep the chemical balance of the skin normal. Number 14, pumpkin. When you see the reddish color in the pumpkin, then it gives positive vibes for health. Pumpkin is enriched in vitamin A that keeps your liver working properly. For dry skin, this food is good because it makes your skin moist. You can also get vitamin C in this food. Number 15, carrots. When your blood circulation is good and the pH level of your blood is good, then you can get freshness on your face. Moreover, your body functions properly. So carrots are considered the best food that makes blood in your body. You can get vitamin A and other vital nutrients that protect the skin from external environments. Disclaimer: if you include this food in your diet, then for sure you'll get the best results. For the best and fresh skin, many antioxidants, vitamins, and nutrients are essential. So intake of this food will help you in keeping yourself healthy and fresh.